Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I am doing a bit of a requested video. Somebody asked me how to use reward style and get your affiliate links from the app using Link Ninja, so I thought I would do a quick tutorial. Also, before I get started, I am on the iPhone, so I haven't used it on the Android. I don't know if it's different, I don't know if it's the same. So if yours is an Android and it looks slightly different, I'm really sorry. I use an iPhone. I don't know why. I'm so sorry. Anyway, I'm gonna put my screen onto record, and then I'm gonna open up the reward style app, which I will put a little icon here so you know what the app looks like, and I will show you how it's done. So first of all, you go to the second tab in, which has a little ninja looking man, and then you'll see a long list of all the brands they do. It's in alphabetical order, so it starts with And Other Stories, and then if you want like Zalando, that will be at the very end, but that's just there, just so you know. And also the numbers which are on the right hand side, that is how much commission they will pay you if you sell the items. For instance, I'll start again. So for example, if you sell a dress from And Other Stories, you will earn between 8.4 and 12% commission. Anyway, what I'm going to show you today is something from ASOS. So I'm going to type in ASOS into the search bar, and I'm going to go to the top result, which is ASOS Global. I'm going to click in, and it will take me to the ASOS website. Now, the bag I want to show you is a bag I've looked at many times. It's in my search box. So here we go, Kurt bag. I am looking for the Kurt Geiger bag. It's rainbow, it's metallic, it's leather, it's beautiful. And yeah, there's that top one, then there's a pastel one. There's a few different variations which I like less. I'm gonna go for the rainbow one. So I'm gonna click in, and then see the little guy at the bottom doing the little ninja sign. Just gonna press him, and there we go. So what I can do now is I can press get link. So I literally just get link. I've copied the link, and also see the little heart next to the bag. I'm gonna tap that. It will turn dark, and that will mean it is now in my favorites folder. So I've copied the link, that's stored in my little copied area, and I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna press cancel, and then I'm gonna go to where the heart is on the bottom tab. And then I'm gonna look in all my favorite products, and you'll see the rainbow bag again. And then from here on, I can just capture it whenever I want. So say I wanna tweet the link to it now, but then maybe tomorrow I wanna do another tweet, or I wanna do an Instagram story about it. That link is there for me to easily access. Similarly, if you have saved something maybe like a week or 2 weeks ago and you want to capture that link again, you literally just go, oh, that Chanel bag, capture the link, share it wherever you fancy. So it is really worth, when you are kind of finding the items that you love and you want to talk about them again and again and again, just clicking the little heart, that will favorite it, and then you'll always be able to find it in your favorites folder. And also your favorites folders are amazing because that is how you create your shop the post widgets and your boutique widgets and your lookbook widgets and everything like that. So it is really worth saving all your favorite items into the favorite folders because they will help you out along the line too. So that is kind of my video. I think it's pretty easy. I hope it's of help. You can literally just type in any brand that you want, like Oliver Bonas, and you can either scroll the website, or you can just search for the item that you want in the search bar, and you'll just be able to capture your links that way. It's super easy, and you can do it on the go. Anyway, that's my video. I hope it's of help. Hopefully the magic of editing will mean that I've got a half and half screen. But yeah, I hope it's of help. If you've got any questions, let me know. If you want any other videos making about reward style and how to use it, or any questions, let me know. I've been using the platform for like, oh my God, like 6, 7 years now, like a really long time. And I think I know my way around it pretty well. So if you do have any questions for me, please do let me know. I know it can be a little bit fiddly to work your way around at first, but it is so easy once you get the hang of it. And yeah, it's just a really brilliant affiliate platform. So yeah, I hope that's of help. I do have more real world style videos if you want to watch, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. You're also always welcome to DM me on Instagram if you have any questions and you want to ask them there as well. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do. And I hope this video is of help. I need to stop this screen recording, don't I? There we go, I've stopped it. See you very soon. Goodbye.